Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how much does the RPM and CPM cost in a 5.9K around 6K gaming YouTuber. So before we start, we need to check who is our audience, because audience mainly will affect much on our RPM and CPM. So for our audience, as you can see, for the last 28 days I will change to 31 year, and let us check. So for 1 year time, mostly we can see our viewer is coming from Philippines first, and also followed by Indonesia. Because most of these Southeast Asia country, they are most interested in my gaming channel, because I'm playing Mobile Legend is quite popular at their location. And for our CPM and RPM, let me check. For our videos, long form videos, the RPM for gaming channel, for this kind of channel making video gameplay, is around 3 point sorry 0.38 US dollar per 1000 view. Is quite low compared to others niche. While for shorts make more lower RPM compared to long form video. It only makes around 0.01 US dollar based on 1000 views. Means that 1000 views you only can take home around 0.01 dollars. So basically, that's all for the RPM and also RPM for those videos in my channel. And if you are interested to make like content, I mean to make content for gaming channel, the most important thing you need to have is a hashtag. And as you can see in this video, right, I get around 1.3 million views in this particular one video only. So for the channel to get viral, I mean for the video to get viral, right, you need to have a very strong hashtag and keywords tag for the videos. For me, I use vidIQ. Later I will show you for my tag first. So for the video to go viral, first we need to have a strong tags, relevant tags for the videos to grow. And how do I generate this kind of tag to have a top search tag in YouTube? Mostly I will use vidIQ, because vidIQ is one of a free software that you can use. For example, I am making a gaming channel in Mobile Legend, so I can type in keywords, right? Mobile Legends gameplay tutorial. Okay, so it will generate keywords for my videos. And okay, you can see they have generate like relevant keywords for the videos: Mobile Legends, Mobile Legend tutorial, or MLBB. If you want to be more specific, for example, I will show you Miya strength build. Okay, so you will have an indicator here, show how much the overall score for the videos, and it will generate relevant keyword. If you are using the boost from vidIQ, you can generate more relevant keywords, and you just can like click and copy to your description, and then you can just paste here. So I have put the link in the description. You also can use free version to get the relevant keywords. As you can see, you can get the relevant keyword here, and it also show for the related score and also the volume. So yeah, basically this is for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.